Today we're gonna change the fuel pump control module on 2009 Audi A8, this black one, and this is usually hard to get, but I was able to get this from Taiwan somewhere. It's made in Romania. The part number is 4E0906-093B. This is brand new, so that should work. Basically, first I'm gonna change this fuel pump control module, and then I'm gonna change the fuel pump on the right side, passenger side. That's the main fuel pump, I guess. The car is about almost 200,000, so the symptoms are same if this is going or if the fuel pump is going. So I'll change, hopefully I'll change both parts. So today we'll do this change. So here that's the fuel pump on the right side, that's the fuel pump on the left side, and I'm gonna pop those plugs there. There should be 2 screws, and remove that cover, and that control module is under that. So this is 10mm. So it's very dark. I guess this goes to that fuel module. So that's the screw that's holding that module, and it is a plastic. It's a size 10mm, and I was not able to pick it with a magnet because it is a plastic. So basically I try this out. That's it. Okay, so this is what we're gonna replace and put it back in. Oh, there you go. That's how you put it in. So now we're gonna put the screws there, so it's in the right place. That size 10. That's good.